Hey everybody, it's Steven Sosa here at the Wood Window Museum, Wood Window Makeover, and behind us in the background we've got some curvy storm windows that we have to cut little moldings there to hold the glass in. See those little ones everywhere? So teaching Sosa how to do it, and I was like, you know what? How about I teach you guys what I'm doing too? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give Sosa the camera and let him, get me doing this. So I figured, man, this is so much cool stuff to share. Why not share it? So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what's going on. All right. So if you just want to take it over.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Do me a favor too. Is like if somebody comments or asks a question and you see it, let me know. All right?
Heard that. All right, you got it.
Okay. So gun over here, and I'm not mic'd up, so if you can, stay close.
Pretty close.
So
Okay.
that you can hear me. All right. I'm gonna move these guys out of the way here. I'm gonna do a couple of them, okay? I'm gonna start with this one here. And I've already got my curved moldings made, somewhat. You can see this is a curved molding that I made here, and I made them on the bandsaw and router and all that kind of stuff. And I've got them somewhat pre-fit, ready to go. And I've got these guys, these sticks in place, okay? So what I gotta do is I gotta miter these guys. So here's what I'm gonna do first. You can stay right there.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna take this guy, and where this guy intersects the curve molding, I'm just gonna put a mark there, okay? And where this guy intersects curve molding over here, put a mark there. Then I'm gonna switch them, okay? Watch this. I'm gonna switch them and put this guy down where my curve molding intersects right there. I'm gonna put that there. And then curve molding intersects right there. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, then I'm gonna take that mark right there. I'm gonna mark it on the bottom here. See, I got a little mark right there. That's my mark. Boom. And then I'm just gonna transfer the two marks from the corner to that mark that I made, and just one over here too. So I have a line, and that line is somewhat relative, as you can see. So it's my job to make it straight. And I guess I'll also do this one at the same time, right? So I have this one ready. Okay, there's that one. I'm just gonna hold that one until later, and then there's that one. Okay, so if you've seen my video on how to make screen moldings, or how to put screen moldings on screen frames, this is not unlike that, but it's a little bit more involved doing it this way. So, but I'm gonna do all this on the bandsaw, okay? So, here we go. There's my mark, okay.
Wow. Yeah, on the money.
That goes there. Now I'm going to cut this straight guy. But look, see it's round like that? So I've got another piece here I'm putting flat up against the molding so that this guy doesn't turn.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty good, huh? Got this guy here. Do that.
We're gonna mark it on the curve. Nice.
I don't like that one, so I'm gonna adjust it.
Hey everybody.
I'm gonna use a bandsaw blade to just shave this. Actually,
Nice.
yeah, there. Okay. And then, of course, marking these guys there. See?
Cool. He's so fast for you. I'm trying to keep up with him.
Oh, you don't have to be too fast.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's shaky. My bad, y'all. Nice.
That goes there. That goes down. I got that guy in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark where that one goes on both sides. Then I'm going to put this one in. Mark where that one goes on both sides. Boy, that whistling is really kind of weird, huh?
Yeah, it is. Threw me off earlier. I'm like, is it gonna blow up on me or?
We gotta check out that saw, see what's going on.
First the Ryobi, now Delta? Not Delta. Nice. Makes it look so easy, y'all. I tried. Nothing like that.
Well, it's all about trusting your eye.
Your eye, your fingertips. Very sensitive skill right here.
There, right? Oh yeah. Oh, it's a little on the line. Oh, but it went in. Look at that. Boom. So that's it.
That's how it should look.
Okay, so what I'll do now, take my little gun here.
La pistola.
I'll nail it. Bam. You did put nails in there, right?
Yeah. That would have been a good prank though. Got him. Save that one for April Fools.
Yeah. Going to this one here, okay? Mark that. That's the one that wasn't nailed. Okay. Okay, so here, look. Now, let's do this one here. This one's going to be really tough.
Number 10. Yeah, it's a tight corner, right?
Paint there, gotta get out of the corner.
Why would it be tough, Don Quillion?
Because it's not, because it's, let me turn this off. Well, one of the reasons why is because, I mean, this is such an acute angle. It's so sharp, you know what I'm saying? So, it's pretty tough to begin with. So, but I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to mark this, like that, and then I'll mark this side also, okay? And what that gives me is that gives me my angle to start with.
I was wondering what they had this spatula for.
A spatula.
Spacula.
Okay. That guy there. That's gonna be that. Okay, so let's do this. Move these out of the way.
It's looking really good.
I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this guy in, all right? And I'm gonna mark the intersection here. Okay. There.
And what do you have to do? Make sure when you're doing it, you have to make sure it's lined up, right? Remember you telling me that?
Yeah, I'm putting the pieces over the top of each other, and where they intersect, that's where I'll make my mark, and then I'll connect those marks. That's where I know. That's how I know where to cut.
It's an essential detail, right?
Yeah. Not essential oil. Essential detail.
We got a comedian, y'all. Like butter. Wow.
Look, see, I didn't hit my mark all the way. So I got a little bit of meat left. I'm gonna just a little. That guy goes there. Okay. What? And this guy goes right there, right? Okay.
Hey, what's up, Jake? All right.
That's a pretty good fit right there. Okay, so here's what I'm doing now. Now I'm just gonna get this guy to fit in the hole there. I'm gonna sight cut across there. I don't want this guy to fit inside.
Okay. Right when I got the good angle, he.
Okay, so maybe this guy will fit. Oh, he does.
Oh wow!
Okay, so that guy goes there.
Heard that click, y'all?
This guy. He goes there.
He's doing the same thing, marking the intersection.
Yeah, mark the intersection there. I'm gonna keep my line.
Thanks for the like, whoever that was. I don't know. Thank you.
I said I was. And it goes there. Okay, so now what do I do? Okay, so look here. Now I'm going to mark the intersection of these two. Okay, but now I can see it, so I'm going to mark it there. I'm going to mark it on the back side. You know, at this point right there, and then. Oh yeah, see that's my line right there. And that's kind of long, so I'll use this custom straight edge I made. Boom, look at that, see?
Custom straight edge.
Okay. To connect my dots.
Oh wow, this is new. I've never seen this, y'all. So.
Boom. See how that works? Okay.
One guy tricks up his sleeve. Look at it.
Right. Okay, so there's that. Here.
For those not familiar with a bandsaw, that's very, very like freehand. Well, it is a freehand bandsaw, but it's just crazy how much you got to be very delicate with your fingers on the movements.
Okay, so now I got this. I got these two pieces, and I can put this one on. Now that I got my angle cut, I can line that one up. Now I can mark that other piece in there, see? Okay. Boom. Okay. But then I got to get my little extractinator. This guy out. There you go. Okay, so this guy I can put in. Ooh.
Like a 3D effect there. You just
All right, so let's get this guy cut. Then I put my line. My bandsaw on.
he makes it look so easy.
Oh man.
See?
That's pretty nice.
Wow.
Just like a little puzzle. So.
It's like a little slice of pie or pizza.
Yeah. You know? So cool, right?
Definitely.
Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and hit the thing. Let's
All right, y'all.
Let me finish it up.
Bye bye.
All right. All right. So I don't know what y'all thought about that, but you know, I just made that up a couple days ago, figuring out how to do that. I mean, I figured doing it with the bandsaw was going to be a lot easier than trying to figure out every single one of those little angles. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So there's probably other ways to do it, you know. So, but this is the way that I was doing it. I thought it was pretty cool. So, you know, hopefully you got something out of that, and you want to pass it along to some people, and just show them some new skill, you know. All right, Steve Quillian for Wood Window Makeover in the Wood Window Museum with Sosa.
Happy New Year!
Over and out. Love you guys. Bye.